Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Live. Today I am going to discuss about the topic how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro in Windows 11. So for that you need to open any browser and type download VMware Workstation Pro and hit enter. Open this website, scroll down, tap on download now under VMware Workstation Pro for PC. Tap on download now. So when you tap on download now, the page it will redirect to Broadcom website. Why? Because Broadcom now hosting the VMware softwares. You have already account, you have already existing account, just log in with that account. Otherwise, please register. Tap on register. You can create account with email ID. Otherwise, if you have any company email ID, you can create account with company email ID also. Enter the email address. And enter the captcha. Tap on next. The verification code it will send to email ID. So just enter the verification code. Tap on verify and continue. Fill the details like first name and your country and your designation. Select the job title and enter the password. Re-enter the password. Check the box I accept. Tap on create account. Scroll down. Now it is registered successfully. Just scroll down. Tap on I will do it later. So account is successfully created. Just try to, just sign into the account. Tap on next. Enter the password. Tap on sign in. Tap on close. Type in search bar. Type in search bar. Download VMware Workstation Pro. And tap on search. Here it is processing your request. So just tap on this link, use the direct link. Tap on this link to download the VMware Workstation Pro. Sometimes it will display VMware for personal use here actually. Here you can see multiple options. VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 for Windows, VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 for Linux, VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows, VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Linux. Just go with VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows. Tap on this one. Here you can see multiple releases. So just tap on latest release. Tap on terms and conditions and check this box. Here you can see the software. Tap on this download icon. It will pop up one message. Just tap on yes. Here it is asking for additional information. Just fill the details like address, and city. And tap on submit. Tap on submit. And again you need to tap on that download icon. The page it will redirect to download page. Tap on again on this download icon to download the software. The software it will going to download now. Open the downloads. Here you can observe the software is going to download. So just wait for few seconds. The download is finished now. Just open the file explorer. Navigate to downloads. So just double click on this one to install the software. Tap on yes. Tap on next. Tick the box I accept. Tap on next. Just go with the default one. add VMware works, add VMware Workstation console tools. Go with the default one. Tap on next. Here it is displaying two options: check for product updates and join the VMware customer experience. So uncheck this second option. Uncheck this box. Tap on next. Tap on next. So just tap on install. Just tap on finish. The installation is finished. Tap on finish. So just to open the software VMware Workstation, just click on this VMware Workstation shortcut. Here I already have some virtual machines already here. So in case if you want to create a new one also, just tap on this create new virtual machine and follow the steps to creating new virtual machine. To add existing virtual machine, just tap on this open a virtual machine. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. And for more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. And please share with your friends and family also. And if you have any queries, just post a comment. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your time.